I've made over $200 this week trading the exact same company, buying the low, selling the high, and I'm going to showcase that to you today. So, what's going on, guys? If this is your first time watching, my name's Johnny Trades. I run a investing community and YouTube channel. We are always accepting new members into our Discord. It is the first link in the description, lifetime access, and it is 100% free for the next 300 members. Once we cross over 1,000 members, you will have to pay a fee to get in. And with that said, you will be able to learn and actually watch me trade live every single day at market open. So if that interests you, definitely consider subscribing to the channel and joining our free Discord. First link in the description. So MSTZ. We've done a great job by identifying this horizontal pattern. As you can see, I brought my trade setups here, and we're not making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% a day. We are literally locking in 1 to about 3% per day, trading the exact same setup with the exact same stock. There's no need for you to look for screeners or multiple different companies. There's no need for me to go and try to find the next big setup or the next big move. I'm not constantly watching the news or looking for the next big deal. I am trading the exact same company over and over and over every single day. And with that said, as you can see, I've been trading it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, and I've made over $200 with this company. Now, as you can see to the right, I made about $15.80 today, about 1%. And it's not a ton of money, but it adds up over time. By making 2% a day, you can make 10% a week. If you could do that 2% a day or 3% a day, that's about 15% a week. Now, I am going to showcase my Discord to you so that way you can see those profits. The only thing is I actually haven't added my profits for today just yet. And that is something that, of course, I can do. But I want to showcase that to you here. Yesterday, we made $49 or 1.54% on MSTZ. The day before that, on 12/18, we made $40 or about 3%. The day before that, we lost a couple dollars, but we kept it very, very light. The day before that, we made $32. The day before that, we made another $49. And we're just consistently locking in profits day after day. I made 53 on Sound the day before. Lunar, I made 63. So we're constantly making money in the stock market. Now, this community is available to you 100% free. I do showcase all my trade recaps, where I buy, where I sell, not only in the live stream at Market Open, where you can watch me live trade, look at my trade setups, get inside my head as to why I'm taking the trade, and ask me questions that I will answer in real time. You can be a part of that by simply clicking the first link in the description and joining our Discord. We now have over 700 members. There's about 654 offline. We have 33 online right now, looking through our community, looking at our past morning live trading sessions. As you can see, every single day I go live and we showcase profits. This day I made the 3%, this day I made 2%, and this day I made 2%, 3%, and I showcase those to you every single day. I also give you updates on my trade ideas. Like yesterday, December 19th, or the day before, I showed why I took the trade. So if you can't catch the live stream and watch me trade live, you can at least get the trade ideas and the alerts when I'm buying in. Right here, I bought 150 shares for a swing, buying at 11 support, hoping for it to push up to $13 to sell there. On December 27th at 9:54, I showcased that I was buying 50 shares of MSTZ because Bitcoin looks overbought this morning. Adding 20 shares, 10:05, adding another 30 shares. Yesterday, holding as Bitcoin tests the moving average for resistance, waiting for another leg down or for a rally. Let's wait to see. And I have my stop loss set. 11:36, buying another 20 shares for a total of 120 shares currently up 1%. Yesterday, Bitcoin selling off, breaking support, MSTZ pushing up, and then I even showed where I sold. Sold MSTZ at a high of 1468, locking in 2.14% profit and showcasing those profits to you, over $49 yesterday. And then I even gave you my screenshot, exactly where I buy. In case you missed the live stream, I showcase it to you, all my buys and where I sold for you to not only watch but learn. That way you can become a more profitable and consistent trader, for you to be able to understand how to trade and how to develop your own trading style and your own consistency of being profitable in the stock market, because that's what it's all about, guys. I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm not here to tell you how to trade. I'm just here to show you what I'm doing to be successful in my trading journey. You could also get involved with other like-minded individuals. We have a ton of people who are constantly, in here talking, asking questions. It's usually me talking and answering questions, but we have a ton of people in here. I give you also news-related articles, like if it comes to Trump or any type of PCI reports or PCE reports, things like that. We also have a crypto chat, our profits chat, where you can share your profits too. I do have people in here who showcase their profits as well. If we go, let's see, back a little bit, we have a guy named True Grit. He's showing that he made $65 on APP, 40 on SoFi, 35 on Google. He made 111 on APP one day. This was a good day for me. I made 197 on TQQQ and 130 on GoPro. We had another gentleman right here. Look at that, $59,000 on Tesla, and he shows his trade. So it's not just me trading in the community. There are other people trading in the community. This guy named Johnny bought Tesla and made $285 on Tesla. And so we have a lot of community members in here. We got some funny off-topic chats, like Jake Paul versus Anthony Joshua fight. That was Jake Paul hugging Anthony Joshua's leg. Different memes and a lot of fun that we have. I give you weekly economic calendar reports every single week when they come out. And this is just the small piece of what you guys are able to have and what's available to you. I also have our Learn to Earn lesson library, which is available to you as well. It's about 10 or 12 videos, less than 2 hours of training material to get you set up on your trading journey. It's all about learning how to trade and learning how to become a more consistently profitable trader. By locking in 1 or 2% per trade, we're able to slowly grow our account, and it's not rocket science, guys. This is just one company. I go over several other companies. One of my next favorite companies that I trade would be Sound. Sound is one of those companies that continues to impress. It has this horizontal pattern where it bounces off of support, pushes up to resistance, and even trading within this horizontal pattern, as you can see, you can make some decent money. LUNR, another solid company. By identifying support and resistance levels, you're able to rinse and repeat and make some decent money as well. And every once in a while, you get lucky and you end up with one of those 10% days, 20% days, and that's when you could really make some decent money. This was a 28% day on LUNR in a single day, guys. So by first showing up, learning how to trade, and then by being consistent, by showing up daily and implementing what you're learning, you can be a more profitable trader just like I am. And this is just the beginning. We have a lot of room to grow. We have a lot of team members coming in, and I want you to understand that we have less than 300 spots available for free. Now, you do have lifetime access to our Discord, but it is 100% free to our first 1,000 members. And guys, we just crossed over 700 members. So we have less than 300 spots available. After we cross over 1,000 members, you will have to pay to get in. It'll be a small fee. It will be lifetime access. There is no monthly subscription, but get in now while it's free. You won't be disappointed. I'm looking forward to seeing you in tomorrow morning's live stream at Market Open. I wish you guys a great holiday as well. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and then Christmas, of course, right after. So it's okay. I understand if you're with family, friends, traveling, or doing other things right now on Christmas break. That's great. Enjoy your time off. But when you come back, you can understand and you could know that you have a position here with our LTE team and with me to learn how to trade and be a more consistently profitable trader. I appreciate you guys' time. Happy holidays. And remember, let's end the year on a green note.